Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device freezes. So the first thing we have to do is to determine whether our device is frozen partially or fully. So let's pretend that this browser is the application that causes our device to freeze, and if it is, then first thing you have to do is use the Ctrl-Alt-Delete combination of keys to open a task manager. So go ahead and press Ctrl-Alt and Delete together, and this will open such menu. In this menu you'll have to open Task Manager, and if you see this menu, that means that your device is frozen partially and you can still get access to it without needing to switch it off. So let's open Task Manager, and right here you can see the application that is causing our device to freeze, and all you have to do is right click on it and select End Task in order to switch it off, and afterwards your device should be working properly. But if your device is still frozen, and it has been all this time, then the other solution for your problem is to simply switch your device off. To do that, you'll simply have to lift, you don't have to do that, but I'll have to demonstrate it to you. Just I have to lift it up in order to show you this the location of the power button. It's located right here. So what you have to do is just press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until the light on the button goes off. And once it does, your device switches off, and right now all you have to do to unfreeze it is switch it on back again by pressing the power button once again. So just press it, and right now your device should return back to normal. Well, if your device hasn't switched off when you held down the power key with me, then the only solution of which I can think is to let your device discharge by itself. So to do that, you simply have to remove the charging cable from your laptop and just wait for several hours for it to turn off, and afterwards plug the charging cable back inside and wait for about half an hour for your device to charge properly, and then just switch it on by clicking the power button, and this will return your device back to normal. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.